Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Thursday, March the 10th, 2016. May corn was up 2 3/4 cents today, selling at 362 3/4. We tried to make a run out of this recently formed consolidation from the last 3 or 4 days, printing a buyer's bar today, but we did run into some overhead resistance at what looks like to be the February 12th close level. If we can break above that level tonight, early in the morning, then we might continue to inch a little bit higher, as we had 2 weeks in a row of really good export numbers. At least they were at the top of what the trade was expecting anyway. We had a number of 1.1723 million metric tons exported this week, as opposed to the 800 to 1.2 million that the trade was looking for. May beans were up 2.5 cents today, and they finished right at the top of that consolidation level, and actually tested that 890 again today, and we're unable to move through that. We continue to get pretty bearish fundamental news as CONAB reported that Brazil has upped their expectations, production expectations, to over 100 million, now to 101 million metric tons, and along with that we get 59 more million metric tons coming out of Argentina. So a lot of beans worldwide, and should most likely keep pressure on the U.S. farmer and our prices. The trade export numbers for beans were pretty disappointing today as well. On top of that news, we had a expectation of 400 to 700,000 metric tons, and that we came in at 475. July 16 wheat was up 7 cents. We had a pretty strong day on wheat, up to a settle of 483 1/4. We had export news. It was not really all that impressive for wheat, right in the middle of what the trade was looking for. But we did break out of some overhead resistance, and our next level is 492 to possibly 500 again. We had a very weak day in the U.S. dollar today. The index was off over a point at times during the day, and at the time of taping was nearly that. Crude was off as well today. Hey, thank you for tuning in for the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. Look forward to talking with you tomorrow afternoon.